Hello, I'm John from the Sake Notes, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Tippsy box. Tippsy is an online sake retailer. They've got a pretty large selection of around like 250 different bottles, and they'll deliver to most US states, which is kind of great. But what they also offer is the Tippsy box, which is like a fun way to get introduced to new sakes, because what it sends over is a 3-pack of smaller 300 milliliter bottles. So it's a nice way to like try a bunch of different things instead of, jumping into a full bottle of something that you maybe like, maybe you don't. So let's pop this open. It is pre-cut, so that we're not doing that on here. And here we are. And so this month's box is this Tatenokawa Nokadori, the Hakkaisan Junmai Ginjo, and this Nambu Bijin Tokubetsu Junmai. This is like kind of an all-star lineup. This is some really nice stuff that a lot of people will probably, if you're getting into sake, this is a great set. This particular one. I'm not sure exactly what the theming is on this one, but this is nice. And then in here, they allegedly have some information cards. And yes, okay, these are kind of like postcards almost. And it's info about each of the sakes. Kind of a lot, actually. Kind of a lot of information. So this is the Tatenokawa Nakadori card. And it's got a little map of Japan, kind of showing you where it comes from. In this case, it's Yamagata. It's telling you the alcohol percentage, the milling rate, what to pair it with, the flavor profile. I mean, this is good stuff. And then a little QR code so you can find out more information from their website. And this is, if I were just getting into sake and had somebody send this to my door, this would be a fun way for me to learn a lot and try a bunch of different things. I'm pretty sure they offer discounts if you purchase like 3 months in advance or something like that. But it's pretty cool. They describe the Tatenokawa Nakadori as like a gentle wave. It's interesting. And then the Hakkaisan is a signature taste for a signature sake. That's very Hakkaisan of them. And then Nambu Bijin lifts your spirits like chasing butterflies. I wonder if that's part of the reason why they have the butterflies on their label there. I like it. This is nice. This is a cool way to experience stuff, and I'm going to enjoy experiencing these sakes myself. And I'm probably going to start with the Hakkaisan. I think that's probably what it's going to happen. But they're pretty secure in here. Let's see if I can get these out. And there we are. 300 milliliter bottles, 3 of them. And they ship this to you once a month. I'm pretty sure that the pricing is in the mid 50s. I'm going to double check that, and we'll correct if I'm wrong. We'll edit this out if I am. And that's that. So this has been a little Sake Notes unboxing, and let us know what you think. Thanks. Bye-bye.